YouTube, how's it going, everyone? I am out in a local park in Brandon. I'll give you a look at it. I've never been here before. I think it's called Providence West. But I met up with a fellow YouTuber, a droner. He go by the channel of @MikeRob. Droning with Mike Rob. There he is there. So we met up here. We've been trying to meet up for a while, but finally got a chance to. But I'm just gonna fly around this park. And this will be a park that I come and do some of my FPV work. Because there's hardly no trees around and a lot of fields. Okay. Tomorrow is Memorial Day, so I'm surprised there's not too many people out here today. But 200 feet should be good. We're just gonna buzz around here. Housing development. And let's see, let me go in cine mode. I guess this Mini 5 seems pretty quick. It's a cell phone tower. Hopefully no guide wires on it. Should be clear there. And it's just a quick flight. I needed to get out the house. And this is my wind therapy here. I see these buildings over here. I don't know if they're apartments or... Yeah, I think they're apartments. Yeah, but there's hardly no one at this park, so I'll definitely bring my 360 drone and a Vada 2 out here. Let's see what else is over here. Mike, you seen these apartments over here? I'm like, I've never seen that over
oh,
here.
Yeah, that's probably Bloomingdale. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
Those are new apartments that they built on Bloomingdale. Yeah.
Yeah, they go up quick.
They're building quite a few. There's another project going up over there too. So if you go down to Bloomingdale and go to the right, you'll see them on your right-hand side down there.
Okay. And let's see here.
Have you ever been over to Mango Park? The drone
Yeah,
park?
the drone racing. Mm-hmm. By a dog park, I think. It's a dog park over there. Yeah, there's no shade over there.
They had the little camp, the little takeoff pad though.
Yeah, yeah. Getting some shade here. Maybe we'll do an orbit around this this cell tower. I don't see any guide wires out here, so let's do a manual orbit. Zoom in. I could use the cruise control and then that'll help me out, but this is okay. All right, let's zoom out. You got another battery, Mike? Okay.
Yeah, I bought this as a drone only.
Oh, okay, I got you.
But I did get an extra battery. And then the goggles and the motion control I got with my 360 because I already had an RC2 controller.
Uh-huh.
So I just got the goggles with the thing. But now that I look back, I think I did it backwards though. I should have got the combo with this because it comes with the goggles 3, I think.
Okay.
I think when you get the combo with this, you get the goggles 3, and then I should have got the RC.
I think that's the one I bought. Yeah, yeah.
It comes with goggles, with the better goggles,
Uh-huh.
the smaller ones. So I should have done that, and then got this one with the RC2 controller. Then I would have had 2 RC2 controller, one for this, and then one for my Air 3S.
I got
Because
you.
I'm using the Air 3S controller on the 360 when I fly.
Mm-hmm.
I was thinking next weekend too, man. I was thinking next weekend was the first weekend in June, but it's really not. It's the last week of May, so that would be a good time to go out to the Lakeland to get that hospital before it opens.
Okay.
Up. I can't get that. I want that dinosaur thing so bad, man. That would be a hell of a shot.
Yeah, I've been trying to get that thing for a while, man.
I'm gonna have to just get up one morning and just go out there early, like on an early Saturday morning or early Sunday morning. I went up to the park. Well, today's Sunday. The park is open today.
We're gonna fly through this goal post here. I'm gonna make sure no one's on the field. I didn't see anyone.
I see you over there on the football field.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it.
I'm gonna go through the goal post here, making sure no one is out here. All right.
I might do one more flight with my other battery.
Let's fly through this thing here. Get a little lower. If I make this, maybe I can try out for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers.
I'm gonna have to tell Ted that I met up with you.
Yeah, we need to do a little meetup. I don't know how many other people you know here in Tampa. I know one other guy.
There's a guy named Sean.
Mm-hmm.
I can't get Sean out. Sean was, I think, transitioning between jobs and stuff. So I think he had some stuff going on or whatever.
Yeah.
So I keep up with him, but he came on one of our lives before, but he wasn't on the last one. But
I got you.
I saw him. He started back making videos and stuff. He made a video over there at the Mango Drone Park and stuff where he was running and he had the drone following him and stuff. He got like a Mavic 3 Classic.
Okay.
And he had the drone following him and stuff. But I'm gonna try to get him. I told Ted there's another spot that I want to go to, but it's this might take a while though. So either next weekend we can either go east to Lakeland or south down towards Palmetto. There's like 3 different locations down there that we can shoot if we go down that way.
Okay.
Because there's I did a video about this hospital construction that they got going on down there.
Yeah.
And the hospital is come a long way since we went and filmed that. And then down there in Palmetto, right on the water there, where the bridge goes over that connects Bradenton and Palmetto, 41. There's a little area down at the bottom there where you can go and film and catch all kind of right there on the water. They got the hospital on the other side, skate park, all kind of stuff. So you can get some real good footage over there. That would be a good YouTube video right there. And I would take like my Air 3S and my 360 and get shots of both places.
I got you.
And then on the other side in Bradenton, they got an old water tower, like an old Bradenton water tower that I wouldn't mind shooting over there. So if you go down there, we'll probably be down there for a while.
Okay.
And it's a lot of shots you can get. So you have to make sure we got all the batteries charged up and ready to go.
That'll work. Okay, I'm going to bring this in.
But I definitely want to catch that hospital, though, before they open up.
Okay. We can go over there next week.
We can go over there next week, and then maybe the weekend after that, we can do the southern run.
Okay.
Maybe I'm going to try to get Sean out with us next weekend, see if he want to go. I know Ted, he calls himself the drone killer on the thing now.
Is it Drone Killer 813 or something like that?
Yeah, that's him. He changed his name. It used to be just Ted on there, but he changed his name.
What, he crashed a drone or something, you said?
A couple of them. He blew up a couple of them.
Anyway, I'm going to bring this in. And I'm not sure if I'll bring out that Avada. I haven't eaten lunch yet. So my stomach is saying no. anywhere.
Yeah, man, that'd be cool if we can get everybody out and meet up and stuff. Cool.
All right, guys, that's a wrap for me today. Again, I just had to get out and fly this drone, but hopefully next week I'll get a couple more videos. Until then, peace out.